Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to use the AI automation grading feature from eJourney. Let's get started. Open ai/grading.ejourney.id in your browser. Choose your preferred language. If you don't have an account, click Register and fill in your full name, email, and password. Check your email regularly to verify your account. Once verified, log in with the same account detail you have registered before. Don't forget to enter your institution name. This information is private and only visible to you. You can check your available credits at the top right corner. Credits are deducted each time you use the AI grading feature. Choose one that suits the format of the assignment or test you will grade. Enter the title and description and scroll down to upload the questions and answer keys, which the AI will use to generate the rubric. When everything is filled in, click the button here to proceed. Review and edit the generated rubric to match your needs before final validation. Click Validate when the rubric is ready. For automated submissions, click Generate Link to set the submission date and submission limit. Copy the provided link and share it with students or anyone submitting their work. Students will fill in their identity information, view the questions, complete the task, and submit it. After submitting, they immediately receive a score and feedback. As an educator, you will automatically receive the results in your system and can view detailed scores and feedback. You can also grade another way by clicking Add New Submission, entering student information, and uploading their work. Grading becomes a lot easier, flexible, and more objective with eJourney. Try it now!